Hello, my name's Bob Willis and welcome to Defect of the Month. Every month we look at different process defects and hopefully provide you with solutions to your problems. This month what we want to look at is solder squeeze out or solder balls after rework and repair. Now we can get this particular phenomena where if joints adjacent to a package that you're reworking actually become liquid or very close to liquid, where those joints are underneath a package which has been underfilled. The reason being that as solder moves from one state to another, it can expand, thus providing pressure on its surroundings, so actually getting bigger. So if there are any crevices or cracks or voids in an underfill, the solder can literally squeeze just like worms in a worm farm and actually squeeze out the side of the package. They appear as either solder balls or like pears shape. So this video, which has been shot using video simulation in X-ray, allows us to see solder moving underneath a package that has been exposed to higher temperatures during rework and repair. So adjacent packages can actually have intermittent faults, but they can also have short circuits. These photographs illustrate what may be seen after this operation if you're examining a printed circuit board for intermittent failures. The key thing with this particular issue is to make sure that you do proper profiling during rework and repair or during MPI on a product. And what I mean to say is profiling not only the package that you're going to be reworking, but those that are adjacent to that particular package to make sure the solder joints are not going to get anywhere near reflow temperatures.